I need something that's more than coffee, but less than cocaine.
So now I'm just going to, I just got to step right over here into the sun. As you can see, there's changes that's taking place, of course. It's hotter. I just came under the photons of light. Photons coming from that massive energy source that we call the sun. There. So this is very powerful now. It's actually the ultimate energy source of this planet, hands down, right? The ultimate energy source of this planet. Yeah, and right now there's a lot taking place, of course. I'm getting warmer just by being up under this. There's heat just touching me. Okay, thermodynamics, this is the law, okay, what we call dealing with laws of thermodynamics. Because when you deal with it, as I keep telling you that the Libertarian knowledge is all about physics. You're dealing with quantum physics. Everybody is, whether you realize it or not. As I'm getting warmer, and when you deal with the laws of, again, thermodynamics, heat is transferred, okay, transferred to something, okay, that is warmer. It's not the other way around. You don't see a colder object going to give heat to something that is hotter. It only goes in certain direction, in a certain direction to get this. So right now I'm heating up because that is warmer than me. Okay, so the sun is warmer than me. It is heating up my body. But see, this is one thing. Now heat is energy. We all could agree with that. So nobody actually told you that you can use this heat because heat always transforms itself into something else. It just isn't disappearing, okay, off of it. That's not what's happening. This heat can be converted into mechanical energy and kinetic energy for me to move, right? And all this other stuff. Right now, that's another energy source, okay, that a person could start utilizing instead of the denser energies of the food, the carbohydrates, or we call carbohydrates. And now, look how that word is into different words. Carb. It means carbo, right? Carbon. Hydrate means water. So on that level, the human being ultimately needs carbohydrates. When we deal with other energy source, can you actually use this for your everyday life instead of or instead of just running from it and giving the credit to the plants? So I'm talking about now we're in the age where there's been some great, and I've been new this. I didn't need nobody to tell me this because all humans have melanin. This will give us our eye color, our skin color, and all this other stuff. So I mentioned about getting the energy from the sun instead of the plants, or getting from food, which is denser, because when you think of getting your energy from carbohydrates, you think of the words first, the carbo or carbon. The hydrate means hydration is water. So if we can get our eye color anyway from the sun, and we have the melanin molecule just like the plants have, which is called the chlorophyll molecule, then our eye color, okay, our skin color, and all this other stuff, we got this, right? All humans, because we're all tropical creatures. And you wouldn't even be alive if you didn't have it. You also got neuromelanin all throughout your body, and even in your head, your pineal gland, the substantial and all this other stuff, and it's a harvester of light. My body by its nature.
Be 1 month, could be 2 months.
3 months.
Could be
4 months.
I can see that happening, yes.
8 months.
That's a realistic timeline.
I understand nothing when I first start learning about sun gazing and Breatharian and keto.
Okay, nag-K3, so lagi itong ginagamit ng hashtag dito. So ito yung muna ko kasi ito yung mga best sellers, okay? Turmeric. Okay, so for coffee, 5 pieces. Sienna, there's Purina. Meron ako, okay, Pacharantia, garlic. Meron ako piperin. Meron ako graviola. Meron ako tongkatali. Meron ako, wow, tapos na.
Shh, live a life.
So today is about giving, okay? Real giving, no expecting anything in return, you just give, okay? And, by giving, okay, binibigay mo yun, regalo na yun sa sarili mo, okay? Paano mo nabibigyan ng regalo, okay, yung sarili mo? It's because you're willing to listen. You listen to someone na merong experience, okay, paano niya inalagaan yung sarili niya, yung health niya, paano siya nakakatulong sa ibang tao. And bakit? Dahil lahat, or for me, I'm gonna speak for my truth, okay? Na gusto natin maging successful, okay, when it comes to our health, okay? Bakit? Para maging successful din tayo sa ating wealth, okay? And maging tayo ng success when it comes to, whether we seek the happiness or not in this life, okay? Para, makabigay din tayo ng marami inspiration.
Wow, ang dami nating pina-follow sa online. Ang daming magagandang tao. Ang dami nating idols. I want to share with you kasi mga idol ko. Unang-una, sarili ko. Okay, ako yung unang #1 fan ko. What about you? Good morning sa mga anti-MLMers, anti-NMers, anti-PNB. Marami bang bumabagabag sa utak at puso mo? Kung wala kang magawa, do something like this every single day. Anyway, I have my takeaway from Doctor. Usually, ayaw natin ng ganitong topic. Doctor, I'll share with you the video, but he was talking about the leaky gut. So, he is not really in favor of people drinking certain vegetables or wheat sources. Akala natin okay. But definitely, gluten, he's so against it. Kapag daw tayo magkaroon ng leaky gut, meaning nabubutas, kaya nag-leak yung mga, bituka. So, kung nagalingan lahat yan ng sakit, okay, yung pagtaba, lahat ng issue sa katawan. So, he doesn't really suggest, this particular vegetables, even like bell pepper, eggplants, bawal sa kanya yun. But, you see, lahat ng klase ng vegetable, pwede namang, i-criticize kayo ng iba-ibang doctor. Kasi wala silang experience sa isang vegetable, they haven't really tried, hindi nila alam. So with me, even if they discovered, you're not supposed to take it or something, drink it, don't eat it. Kailangan kasi ito cause ng pagkasira ng bituka, okay, or complications.
I searched everywhere. I looked through hundreds of files, searched through my text messages. I even looked everywhere in my wardrobe, but I just couldn't find where I asked for your opinion.